What's going on, guys? Gabe here, back with another video, and today we're back with another banger video. And today we're doing an unboxing on the Element z-88 gaming mechanical keyboard. I have the brown switches, and the color of it's black. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is what you see as soon as you open the box. And then, as soon as you open it, you get this little thing that comes off. You get an instruction manual in Chinese and in the United States. And here's the actual keyboard we have here. Here it is. Put that off to the side real quick. Comes with these little foam things. And it also comes with like one of the, I forgot what this is called, but one of these remover things. You can remove that. And it comes with a keycap remover, and then it comes with 5 switches just in case that you break them or anything like that. So this just sounds like off of like the keycap. That's what it sounds like. And yeah, so let's move this over. And here's the actual keyboard. But yeah. So here's the actual keyboard. I got black. And the cord's pretty long. It comes with this little thing right here. But, and it comes with these little kickstands right here. So you can, like, hire it and stuff like that. And then I'll give you a close-up. That's what it sounds like. And go ahead and unravel this. Set that right there. I will get back to you guys when I get it all plugged in and then it shows up. Alright, so see ya. Alright guys, so we got it all hooked up and stuff. Is my Xbox on? Wait for it to power on. There we go. So here it goes. Those are all of them. And then when you press FN plus, read that. And then when you press FN page down, you have a bunch of different things. Those. And I'm pretty sure there's 10 of them. So yeah, and then just to show you that it's mechanical. Go ahead and pull it off. See? And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and let's get to 200 subscribers. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.